Ra-da-da-da, ra-da-da-da, ra-da-da-da-da. Bum, 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 look, they shuffling down, rambling, paper town, hustling, buzzing around, happily waiting at station, looking up 7 of 9, up and riding on time. Who do you think's about to ride? But then they call the Dixieland fight. Play that muskrat ramble to bum bum. You never heard it play. Bum bum. Join in the big parade. All together now one and to join the happy throng. Feel that rambling, scrambling muskrat song. Come on, ramble along. Ra-da-da-da, ra-da-da-da, ra-da-da-da-da. Hey! Woo! Shuffling down, rambling, heading for town, hustling, buzzing around, happily waiting at station, looking up 7 or 9, puffing and riding on time. Who do you think's about to ride? Let them all the Dixieland fight. Yeah, you gotta say it like that now. When Irish hearts are happy, all the world seems bright and gay. When Irish eyes are smiling, sure to steal your heart away. They're actually called Deacon organ chimes, and they're over 124 years old. We have 8 of them, and we can play a major scale like this. We can play chords like this chord, this chord, and even really weird chords like discord.
Get it? Discord. Disco. It's an easy joke. Yes.
They got it. They just don't want it. We even put them together to make a humdinger like this. Humper. That's a humdinger. I told you the jokes would get better. And now, combining the silvery tinkle of the organ chimes
with the golden voices of the Dapper Dans.
And a beautiful ditty simply entitled
"Meet Me in the Roundhouse, Baby." They can't corner us there. Thank you, boy. We'll circle back to that one. All right, how about this? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Just checking.
Good.
That's pretty good. If you're happy and you know it, blink your nose.
You're almost there.
Pretty good, Ryan. Why not?
You'll get there.
If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, give us $1. Any more?
Well, fellas, I guess they're not as happy as we thought.
It's not. They got sad really quick. It happened just a second ago. All right, we need to cheer these folks up, and I know just the thing.
What?
Let's sing everyone's favorite song.
Which one is that?
The last one.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Usually they just cheer.
Yeah, come on up. You're gonna join us. Let's try can. Hey! What? You've been here before. When the Dapper dads say hey, all of you say what? Let's try it again. Hey!
What?
Why does Snow White fall into the wishing well?
Why?
She didn't see that well. Thank you.
Hey!
What?
What does Ariel use to wash her fin?
What?
Tide.
Hey!
What?
Where does Buzz Lightyear love to shop?
Where?
At Bath and Beyond.
Hey! What? What's Captain Hook's favorite breakup line?
What?
It's not you.